हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम लोग शुरू करने वाले हैं बीपीएससी का एमसीक्यू सेट नंबर 15। ठीक है, तो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द रेजोल्यूशंस ऑफ लाहौर सेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस इन 1929? डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इंडियाज फॉरेन पॉलिसी, डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस, प्रिपेयरिंग टू लॉन्च सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट, एबोलिशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी। तो अनटचेबिलिटी के बारे में नहीं दिया हुआ था। When did the Dandi March begin? 31st December 1929, 26th January 1930, 12th March 1930, 6th April 1930। तो 12 मार्च 1930 को हुआ था। नेक्स्ट है, at which Congress session was the working committee authorized to launch a program of civil disobedience? बॉम्बे, लाहौर, लखनऊ, त्रिपुरा। तो लाहौर। ठीक है। Which one of the following began with the Dandi March? Home Rule Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Civil Disobedience Movement, Quit India Movement। तो सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ था। गांधी जी स्टार्टेड दांडी मार्च फ्रॉम चंपारण, साबरमती, बरदौली, दांडी। तो साबरमती से शुरू हुआ था। Which of the following provinces had the highest number of सत्याग्रहीज in Mahatma Gandhi Dandi March? बिहार, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, बंगाल। तो गुजरात से। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मूवमेंट्स, ये भी पूछ सकते हैं कितने लोग थे, ठीक है ना, पर्सन्स। अगर किसी को पता है तो कमेंट में बताइए। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मूवमेंट्स वुमेन्स पार्टिसिपेशन इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द मैक्सिमम? नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह, बरदोली मार्च, क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट। तो सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह। 1930 महात्मा गांधी स्टार्टेड सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट फ्रॉम सेवाग्राम, दांडी, साबरमती, वर्धा। ये दांडी से। ठीक है, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस पूछ लो, ठीक है ना। The civil disobedience movement started with declaration of home rule, partition of Bengal, Dandi March, declaration of Pond Swaraj by the Congress। तो स्टार्ट हुआ था दांडी मार्च। डिसोबे करेंगे, ठीक है ना। Who among the following not participated in the Salt Satyagraha of Gandhi? Sarojini Naidu, Ramchandra, Rajkumar Amrit Kaur, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay। ये थे रामचंद्र। Dandi March was started to support the Salt Law, support the Rowlatt Act, oppose the Rowlatt Act, break the Salt Law। सबको पता है सॉल्ट लॉ को ब्रेक करने के लिए। The historic Dandi March is associated with boycott of elections, violation of salt law, Hindu-Muslim unity, abolition of untouchability। तो violation of salt law। Which event occurred first? Dandi March, Quit India Movement, arrival of Simon Commission, गांधी इरविन पैक्ट। तो इन सब में सबसे पहले क्या हुआ? अराइवल ऑफ साइमन कमीशन। नेक्स्ट है, द डेट 6 अप्रैल 1930 is known in the Indian history for Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi, first round table conference in London, Gandhi Irwin Pact, Jallianwala Bagh massacre। तो दांडी मार्च ऑफ महात्मा गांधी। द स्टेटमेंट I want world sympathy in this battle of right against might is associated with non-cooperation movement, Gandhi's Dandi March, individual Satyagrah, Quit India movement। So Gandhi's Dandi March। Which one of the following statement is not correct about the Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March? It was started from Sabarmati Ashram. The march terminated at Dandi, a village beside the sea. Mahatma Gandhi prepared salt at the seashore. It was altogether a pedestrian march. तो महात्मा गांधी prepared salt at seashore, ये statement गलत है. Which one of the following statement is not correct about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March? It was altogether pedestrian march. It started from Sabarmati Ashram and ended at Gandhi. The entire march from Sabarmati was covered in 24 days. The march was started on 15 March 1930. तो 15 मार्च 1930 को स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ. After the arrest of Gandhiji during Salt Satyagraha, who took his place as the leader of movement? Abbas Tyabji, Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel. तो Abbas Tyabji. Where was Mahatma Gandhi when a raid was made by Congress volunteers on Dharshana Salt Depot? In Yerwada Jail, in Sabarmati Jail, Aga Khan Palace, Pune, in Ahmednagar Fort Jail. वो थे उस टाइम पे यरवदा जेल में. Acharya Vinoba Bhave was arrested for first time for taking part in Bardoli movement, Champaran Satyagraha, civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement. So, civil disobedience movement. Gandhiji stayed the foreign journalist in his Sabarmati ashram during Gandhi March. He was Richard Gregg, Webb Miller, Kirby Page, Louis Fisher. तो ये Webb Miller. Who of the following organized a march on the Tanjore coast to break the salt law in April in 1930? V.O. Chidambaram Pillai, C. Rajagopalachari, K. Kamraj, Annie Besant. So C. Rajagopalachari. Next है, during the Indian freedom struggle, the Khudai Khidmatgars, also known as Red Shirts, called for the union of Panktu tribe areas in northwest with the Afghanistan, the adoption of terrorist tactics and methods for terrorizing and finally ousting the colonial rulers, the adoption of communist revolutionist ideology, political and social reform for the Pathan regional nationalist unity and a struggle against colonialism. So the Pathan regional nationalist unity and struggle against colonialism. Next है, Red Shirt organization was founded to make Pakistan independent, fix the construction of Pakistan throughout the Britishers, make India a communist country after the independence. तो ये बनाया गया था ब्रिटिशर्स को बाहर निकालने के लिए. The soldiers of Garhwal regiment refused to fire on the revolutionaries in Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement. ये civil disobedience. The leader of Lal Kurti movement was Maulana Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Iqbal. तो ये Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Which name is associated with the Peshawar incident of 1930? General B.C. Joshi, Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Veer Chandra Singh Garwali, Prem Singh Negi. तो वीर चंद्र सिंह गरवाली. Jayat Tarang movement started in Nagaland, त्रिपुरा, मणिपुर, मिजोरम. ये मणिपुर में शुरू हुआ था. Agitation against चौकीदारी tax in Begusarai was part of non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, खिलाफत movement. तो ये civil disobedience movement. Prabhavati Devi was the freedom fighter of which field? Champaran, Patna, Bhagalpur, Shahbaz. तो ये पटना. The second roundtable conference in London was held in the backdrop of the इमर्सन गांधी पैक्ट, हेली गांधी पैक्ट, इरविन गांधी पैक्ट। एक्चुअली मैं इसका वो देख रहा था सही है कि नहीं। गांधी साइमन पैक्ट, सबको पता है इरविन गांधी पैक्ट या गांधी इरविन पैक्ट। गांधी इरविन पैक्ट took place in 1930, 1931, 1932, 1933। ये हुआ था 1931। The main purpose of Gandhi Irwin Pact was war नहीं होगा was होगा to make the participation of Congress easier in roundtable conference, to end the civil disobedience movement, to break the death strike of Gandhiji, to end the tax on salt। तो कांग्रेस का पार्टिसिपेशन इजी हो सके इसके लिए था। गांधी इरविन पैक्ट वाज साइंड इन 1931, 1935, 1942, 1919 to 1931। Who played an important role in the signing of Gandhi Irving Pact? मोतीलाल नेहरू, मदन मोहन मालवीय, तेज बहादुर सप्रू, चिंतामणि। तो तेज बहादुर सप्रू। Who of the following persons called Irwin and Gandhi the two Mahatmas? मीरा बहन, सरोजनी नायडू, मदन मोहन मालवीय, जवाहरलाल नेहरू। तो सरोजनी नायडू ने कहा था। Who among the following took Mahatma Gandhi's gain in the Gandhi Irwin Pact as consolation prizes? S.C. Bose, Alan Campbell Johnson, B.G. Horniman, Sarojini Naidu। तो एलन कैम्पबेल जॉनसन। नेक्स्ट है हु ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैड रिगार्डेड द कराची सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस 1931 एज द पिनाकल ऑफ Mahatma Gandhi's popularity and prestige? S.C. Bose, सीतारामैया, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, सरदार किशन सिंह। तो S.C. Bose, सुभाष चंद्र बोस। Who among the following preside over Karachi session of Indian National Congress? Jawaharlal Nehru, J.M. Sengupta, S.C. Bose, वल्लभ भाई पटेल। तो वल्लभ भाई पटेल। Who among the following drafted, ठीक है ना, drafted होगा, drafted the resolution on fundamental rights for the Karachi session Congress in 1931? महात्मा गांधी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। नेक्स्ट है who represented Indian Christians in first round table conference held in London? राव बहादुर श्रीनिवास, सर अकबर हैदरी, सर ए पी पेट्रो, के टी पॉल। ये थे के टी पॉल। When was the first round table conference of Indian leaders summoned in London by British government? 1931, 1929, 1930, 1932। तो ये 1930। Which of the following Indian leaders attended the first round table conference in London? मौलाना मोहम्मद अली, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद, महात्मा गांधी, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। तो मौलाना मोहम्मद अली। Which one of the following is not true about the first round table conference? It was held in 1930. It was to discuss the report of Simon Commission. It was held in London. It was attended by Congress delegation. तो कांग्रेस फर्स्ट राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में गई ही नहीं थी, ठीक है। Who among the following had not participated in second round table conference? महादेव देसाई, प्यारेलाल नैयर, मदन मोहन मालवीय, जवाहरलाल नेहरू। तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू। Which of the following round table conference was attended by Gandhiji? Only first, only second, only third, first and third both। तो सिर्फ सेकंड अटेंड किए थे। महात्मा गांधी लेफ्ट बॉम्बे फॉर लंदन to participate in second roundtable conference as a Congress representative in the ship known as SS Rajputana, SS Viceroy of India, SS Multan, SS Conti Rosso. तो SS Rajputana. Next है महात्मा गांधी returned to India in December 1931, empty-handed from London, Moscow, Washington, Tokyo. तो लंदन से ये कॉन्फ्रेंस वहीं हो रहा था. On which issue did the second roundtable conference fail? Communal delegations, granting dominion status, the date of transfer of ruling power, postponement of civil disobedience movement. So, communal delegations. What was the name of Indian who participated in all three roundtable conferences? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. B.R. Ambedkar, महात्मा गांधी, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, तेज बहादुर सप्रू. तो बी आर अम्बेडकर तीनों राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में थे. विच राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस हेल्ड इन 1932? फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. वो थर्ड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस. द मीटिंग ऑफ इंडियन एंड ब्रिटिश political leaders during 1930 to 32 in London has often been referred to as the first, second, and third roundtable conferences. It would be incorrect to refer to them as such because the Indian National Congress did not take part in two of them. Indian parties other than the INC participated in the conference represented sectional interest and not the whole of India. The British Labour Party had withdrawn from the conference there, making the proceeding of the conference partisan. It was an instance of a conference held in three sessions and not that of three separate conferences. So, D option. Consider the following statements. In the first roundtable conference, Dr. Ambedkar demanded separate electorates for the depressed classes. In the Pune Pact, special provisions for representation of depressed classes in the local bodies and civil services were made. The Indian National Congress did not take part in the third roundtable conference. ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है और ये भी सही है. ठीक है ना. आईएनसी ने तो सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस में पार्ट लिया था, थर्ड में नहीं लिया था. तो 1, 2 एंड 3 डी ऑप्शन. ठीक है. Which were not allocated separate electorate and reserved seats by communal award of MacDonald? Muslim, Sikh, depressed castes, Buddhist. तो depressed which were not allocated. ठीक है ना. तो बुद्धिस्ट. ठीक है. इसलिए नॉट पे या तो आप गोल लगा दो या अंडरलाइन कर दिया. ठीक है ना. When did Mahatma Gandhi started first fast unto death? At the time of communal award, at the time of Calcutta riots, at the time of Jallianwala Bagh mishappening, at the time of Delhi riots. So, at the time of communal award. A option. Who among the following issued the communal award? Ramsay MacDonald, Stanley Baldwin, Neville Chamberlain, Winston Churchill. ये किया था मैकडोनाल्ड ने. A separate electoral group was made by the Communal Tribunal of Ramsay MacDonald first time in August 1932 for Muslims, for Indian Christians, for Anglo-Indians, for untouchables. ये था for untouchables. How many seats were given to depressed classes under Communal Award and Pune Pact? 74 and 79, 71 and 147, 78 and 80, 78 and 69. तो 71 and 147. ठीक है. The Pune Pact was concerned with depressed classes, Hindu-Muslim unity, constitutional progress, educational reforms. तो depressed classes के लिए था. The purpose of Pune Pact was Hindu-Muslim unity, to provide representation of untouchables, to privilege the king, reconsideration of diarchy, to, to provide representation of untouchables. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर एंड गांधी जी हैड ए पैक्ट कॉल्ड, इसी को पूना पैक्ट कहते हैं. सी ऑप्शन. Which among the following implemented after announcement of Communal Award? Lucknow Pact, Karachi Agreement, Lahore Agreement, Pune Pact. So Pune Pact. Which of the following did not sign on historical Pune Pact of 1932? B.R. Ambedkar, Madan Mohan Malviya, C. Rajgopalachari, M.K. Gandhi. So M.K. Gandhi. Next है, after Pune Pact of 1932, Harijan Sevak Sangh was established. Its president was Jagjeevan Ram, Ghanshyam Das Birla, B.R. Ambedkar, Amritlal Thakkar. So, Ghanshyam Das Birla. The first president of All India Anti-Untouchability League was formed in 1932 was B.R. Ambedkar, Amritlal Thakkar, G.D. Birla, M.K. Gandhi. So, G.D. Birla. Harijan Sevak Singh was organized by Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, G.D. Birla, Swami Vivekananda. So, Mahatma Gandhi. The former name of Harijan Sevak Sangh was All India Anti-Untouchability League, All India Depressed Classes Association, Depressed Classes Association for Social Reform, Association of Untouchables. So, All India Anti-Untouchability Depressed Classes League was established by B.R. Ambedkar, Babu Jagjeevan Ram, N.S. Kajrolkar, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले. तो ये डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. Who among the following was a prominent leader of Congress Socialist Party? M.N. Roy, Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi, Patam Thanu Pillai, Acharya Narayan Dev. तो ये आचार्य नारायण. Who was the convener of All India Congress Socialist Party at Patna in 1934? Acharya Narayan Dev, Ashwata Parvardhan, Jaiprakash Narayan, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohiya. So, Jaiprakash Narayan. The first meeting of Congress Socialist Party was held in Delhi, Nasik, Patna, Lahore. तो ये हुआ था पटना में. The first session of Congress Socialist Party was held in year 1921, 1934, 1937, 1931. तो ये 1934. Congress Socialist Party was organized in 1934 by Jayaprakash Narayan and Jawaharlal Nehru, Jayaprakash Narayan and Acharya Narayan Dev, Jayaprakash Narayan and Subhash Chandra Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru. तो ये जयप्रकाश नारायण एंड आचार्य नारायण देव. बिहार सोशलिस्ट पार्टी was founded by J.P. Narayan, सत्यभक्त, M.N. Roy, सुभाष चंद्र बोस. तो ये J.P. Narayan. Who was known as लोक नायक? महात्मा गांधी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, जयप्रकाश नारायण, बाल गंगाधर तिलक. तो ये जयप्रकाश नारायण. Jayaprakash Divas was celebrating January 1946, February 1946, March 1946, April 1946. So, April 1946. Who became champion of socialism and wanted to overthrow ब्रिटिश होना चाहिए, ब्रिटिश रूल, नॉट ग्रीन रूल। प्रिंसली स्टेट एंड लैंडलॉर्डिज्म, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, भूलाभाई देसाई, सरदार पटेल। तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू। In which of the following state Congress did not won an absolute majority in the elections for the Legislative Assembly which were held under the 1935 Act? Not पूछा है। Madras, Bihar, Odisha, Bengal। तो Bengal। The province where the Indian National Congress could not get absolute majority during the general election of 1937 was Bombay, Assam, Odisha, Bihar। ये असम में। In which of the following province Indian National Congress had not obtained a full majority in provincial legislature election held in 1937? Central Province, Bihar, Punjab, Madras। तो पंजाब में। देखो जहाँ जहाँ मेजोरिटी बहुत जगह नहीं मिली थी, तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑप्शन से क्या हो रहा है कि आपको पता चलते जा रहा है और आपके दिमाग में याद रहेगा थ्रू ऑप्शन। The provincial governments were constituted under the Act of 1935, 1932, 1936, 1947। तो 1935। In 1937 election, Congress secured a clear majority in the state numbering 3, 4, 5, 6। तो 6 state। The province where Indian National Congress did not form its ministry after general election of 1937 was Bengal, Bihar, Madras, Odisha। तो ये बंगाल। In which of the following provinces was the Congress ministry not formed under the Act of 1935? Bihar, Madras, Odisha, Punjab। तो ये पंजाब। The tenure of the Congress ministry formed in the election of 1937 after the Act of 1935 was 20 months, 22 months, 24 months, 28 months। तो ये 28 months। Muslim League celebrated the Day of Deliverance in 1939, 1942, 1946, 1947। तो ये 1939। In which working committee did the Congress adopted policy of abolishing land ownership? Working Committee 1937, Working Committee 1942, Working Committee 1945, Working Committee 1946। ये Working Committee 1937। Which of the following was entrusted with the finance portfolio in ministry formed in UP after the election of 1937? गोविंद बल्लभ पंत, रफ़ी अहमद किदवई, कैलाश नाथ कज्जू, मोहम्मद इब्राहिम। तो रफ़ी अहमद किदवई। Consider the following provinces of British India and identify those where the Indian National Congress did not form a ministry in 1937. Central, Odisha, Bengal, Punjab। तो बंगाल में नहीं बना था और पंजाब में नहीं बना था। ओनली 3 and 4 बी ऑप्शन। ठीक है। हरिपुरा where annual session of Indian National Congress was held under the presidency of Subhash Chandra Bose in 1938 is situated in the state of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan। ये गुजरात में। The object of Butler Committee of 1927 was to define the jurisdiction of central and provincial government, define the powers of Secretary of State for India, impose censorship on national press, improve the relationship between Government of India and Indian states। ये improve the relationship between Government of India and Indian states. Who was elected the president of Indian National Congress in 1938? Abul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Patabi Sitaramaiah, J.B. Kripalani. So, Subhash Chandra Bose. In which of the following session of INC, Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as president for the second time? Haripura session, Madras session, Tripuri session, Kolkata session. So, Tripuri session. Next है Subhash Chandra Bose defeated Patabi Sitaramaiah and became president of Indian National Congress at Haripura session, Tripuri session, Lahore session, Madras session. ये त्रिपुरी सेशन हुआ था. Who became the president of Indian National Congress after resignation of the Subhash Chandra Bose? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Patabi Sitaramaiah, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel. So Rajendra Prasad. The whole dispute between Subhash Chandra Bose and right wing after the Tripuri session of Congress centered round to the question of formation of Congress Working Committee, policy towards princely states, attitude towards central government, double Congress membership of Socialist Party. So formation of Congress Working Committee. ठीक को रोका नहीं जा सकता. Which Indian nationalist एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा था, एक या दो बार से क्या था, छींक आ रही थी, लेकिन इसलिए मैं कहीं कहीं पे पॉज भी ले रहा था. क्वेश्चन तो मैंने रीड कर दिया, लेकिन मैं पॉज ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि छींक आने वाली रहती थी, आती ही नहीं. चलो फाइनली आ गया. Which Indian nationalist leader looked upon a war between Germany and Britain as a God-sent opportunity which would enable Indians to exploit the situation to their advantage? C. Rajagopalachari, M. A. Jinnah, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. तो ये थे हमारे सुभाष चंद्र बोस. देखा ही होगा आपने क्लिप्स वगैरह में कि जब ये हिटलर को सपोर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं तो नेहरू जी बोलते हैं या गांधी जी बोलते हैं कि वो लोग ठीक नहीं है, उनसे दोस्ती ठीक नहीं है. ठीक है ना, वो सब जगह कब्जा करते जा रहे हैं ये सब. तो वही कहना था कि ब्रिटिशर कौन सा दूध के धुले हुए, वो भी तो वही कर रहे हैं. ठीक है ना, वो भी तो गुलाम ही बना के रखते थे. मेथड्स बस अलग अलग है. वहाँ मास किलिंग हो रही है, क्या हो रही है, वो मैटर नहीं है. एक्चुअली दोनों जो पावर्स हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं, एक्सपेंड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लोगों को गुलाम बना रहे हैं. तो ब्रिटिशर को बोलो पहले हमें आज़ादी दे दो. ठीक है. Who among the following was the president of all India States People Conference in 1939? Jayaprakash Narayan, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sheikh Abdullah, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So Jawaharlal. Next time, most of the integration of princely states in the Union of India had taken place in which year? 1948, 1947, 1950, 1961. Yeah, 1947. The purpose of Butler Committee 1927. Modernization of Indian Army, innovation, modernization of Indian agriculture, implementation of censor over national newspaper, improvement of relationship between Indian provinces and the ground. ठीक है. तो ये डी ऑप्शन बटलर कमेटी इसीलिए बना. ऑल इंडिया स्टेट पीपल कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज सेट अप इन 1924, 1926, 1927, 1929. तो 1927. Integration of states was done under the leadership of Maulana Azad, Govind Ballabh Pant, B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Patel. तो सब लोग जानते हैं सरदार पटेल. Which three Indian states delayed accession to India even after other princely states had joined India. Junagadh, Mysore, J&K, Junagadh, Hyderabad, J&K, Udaipur, Kapurthala, J&K, Hyderabad, Udaipur, Travancore. Junagadh, Hyderabad, and J&K. At the time of partition of India, which one of the following provinces of British India came forward with a plan for a united and independent existence? Punjab, Assam, Bengal, Bihar. Clear? Punjab. Which one of the following native states was a party to the standstill agreement? Hyderabad, J&K, Junagadh, Mysore. So, Hyderabad. When did Second World War end? 1937, 1918, 1946, 1945. ये 1945 में end हुआ था. Who was the British Prime Minister of Britain during Second World War? Clement Attlee, Anthony Eden, Winston Churchill, Harold Wilson. So Winston Churchill. Who among the following first put forward the proposal for separate Muslim state in India? Aga Khan, M.A. Jinnah, Liaquat Ali Khan, Muhammad Iqbal. So Muhammad Iqbal. The Pakistan resolution was drafted by Rahmat Ali, Sikandar Hayat Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Fazlul Haq. So Sikandar Hayat Khan. The idea of separate nation for Muslim was given by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Sir Muhammad Iqbal, Liaquat Ali Khan. So Iqbal. Who among the following led the movement for the separate state Pakistan? Aga Khan, Nawab Salimullah, Liaquat Ali Khan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So Muhammad Ali. Which of the following, who of the following called Muhammad Ali Jinnah as ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity? Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Aruna Asaf Ali. So Sarojini Naidu. The remark Nehru is a patriot while Jinnah is a politician was made by M.K. Gandhi, Maulana Azad, Sir Muhammad Iqbal, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. So Sir Muhammad Iqbal. Which of the following statements not true about Muhammad Ali Jinnah? He was a supporter of two-nation theory. He presided the Lahore session of Hindu-Muslim League in 1940. He had not participated in non-cooperation movement. He always had diary. He always had a diary. ये सही नहीं है, बाद बाकी तीनों स्टेटमेंट सही है. The resolution demanding the formation of Pakistan was passed by Muslim League in the year of 1939, 1940, 1941, 1942. तो ये 1940 में हुआ था. Who has moved a resolution for creation of Pakistan in Muslim League session of 1940? M.A. Jinnah, Muhammad Iqbal, Rahmat Ali, Khalil uz Zaman. तो Khalil uz Zaman. Muslim League had put their proposal of division of India in the session of Lahore, Karachi, Allahabad, Dhaka. तो ये लाहौर में. When did Muslim League celebrate the Pakistan Day? 25th April 1920, 5th February 1922, 14 July 1942, 23 March 1943. ये 23 March 1940. Who was the chairmanship of Lahore session 1940 of Muslim League? Liaquat Ali Khan, Chaudhry Khalil uz Zaman, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Fatima Jinnah. तो ये मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. In the individual satyagraha, Vinoba Bhave was chosen as the first satyagrahi. Who was the second? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sri Rajgopalachari, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. तो ये भी कहीं पूछा गया क्वेश्चन शायद। पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू पहले, विनोबा भावे थे सेकंड पे पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। द वर्ड सर्वोदय was primarily used by Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Vinoba Bhave and Jay Prakash Narayan. तो ये महात्मा गांधी। Who was selected as first satyagrahi in individual satyagraha movement by Mahatma Gandhi? Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Sarojini Naidu, Vinoba Bhave। तो विनोबा भावे थे फर्स्ट। Who started individual civil disobedience? Vinoba Bhave, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Shaukat Ali। तो विनोबा भावे। An important aspect of the Cripps Mission 1942 was that all Indian states should join the Indian Union as a condition to consider any degree of autonomy for India. The creation of Indian Union with dominion status will be soon after Second World War. The active participation and cooperation of Indian people, communities and political parties in the British war efforts as a condition for granting independence with full sovereign status to India after the war. The framing of a constitution for entire Indian Union with no separate constitution for any province and a union constitution to be accepted by all provinces. तो बी एकदम सही है कि डोमिनियन स्टेटस की बात लेके आए थे जिस पर नेहरू जी वगैरह गरमा गए थे। डोमिनियन स्टेटस चाहिए ही नहीं, कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस चाहिए। Which one of the following is not true about the Cripps mission? Dominion status at the end of the war, acceptance of constitution framing assembly by constituent, the formation of new executive council with equal representation for both Hindus and Muslims, any province could remain outside the Indian Union. Not पूछा। तो the formation of new executive council with equal representation of both Hindus and Muslims, ये गलत। In which year did Cripps mission come to India? 1940, 1942, 1944, 1946। तो ये 1940। The plan of Sir Stafford Cripps envisaged that after the Second World War, India be granted complete independence. India should be partitioned into two before granting independence. India should be made a republic with the condition that she will join the Commonwealth. India should dominion be given. तो डी ऑप्शन कि डोमिनियन स्टेटस दे देंगे क्योंकि चाहिए नहीं था। Who was the following prime minister sent Cripps mission to India? James Ramsay MacDonald, Stanley Baldwin, Neville Chamberlain, Winston Churchill। तो Winston Churchill। Who among the following were official Congress negotiator with Cripps mission? Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel, Acharya J.V. Kripalani and C. Rajagopalachari, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Maulana Azad, Rajendra Prasad and Rafi Ahmad Kidwai। तो ये पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू and Maulana Azad। Who among the following called the movements of Gandhiji as blackmail? Chelmsford, Wavell, Lithgow, Montague। तो Lithgow। On 6th July 1942, at the Working Committee of the Congress, Mahatma Gandhi discussed for the first time his Quit India policy. The president of the committee was Rajgopalachari, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Annie Besant। So, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad। In which ground of Bombay the proposal was passed for Quit India movement? Marine Drive ground, Kala Ghora ground, चंबूर ग्राउंड, ग्वालियर टैग, सबको पता होगा ग्वालियर टैग। Where did Congress launch the Quit India movement on 8 August 1942? बॉम्बे, मद्रास, कलकत्ता, पुणे। ये बॉम्बे में हुआ था, ग्वालियर टैग। The Quit India movement started in July 1942, August 1942, September 1942, October 1944। कटिंग क्यों बोल रहा था शायद 42, तो ये अगस्त 1940। Consider the following statement. On the eve of launch of Quit India movement, Mahatma Gandhi asked government servants to resign, asked soldiers to leave their post, asked the princes of the princely state to accept the sovereignty of their people. तो ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है और ये भी सही है। तो आंसर होगा डी ऑप्शन 1, 2 and 3। The statement we shall either free India or die in the attempt is associated with non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, individual satyagraha, Quit India movement। ये क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट का है। द स्लोगन डू और डाई, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, भगत सिंह, महात्मा गांधी। ये महात्मा गांधी। Do or die call was given by Gandhiji during Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement, Khilafat movement, non-cooperation movement। तो ये Quit India movement। When did Baldev Sahai resign from the post of Advocate General? 1942, 1943, 1930, 1911। ये 1940। Quit India movement was launched in response to Cabinet Mission Plan, Cripps proposal, Simon Commission report, Wavell plan। तो ये क्रिप्स प्रपोजल के रिस्पॉन्स। Which of the following observation is not true about the Quit India movement of 1942? It was a violent movement. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi. It was spontaneous movement. It did not attract the labor class in general. It was led by Mahatma Gandhi. ये statement गलत। By whom the Quit India resolution was moved in the Bombay session of Congress in the year 1942? Jawaharlal Nehru, Narendra Dev, Rajendra Prasad, J.B. Kripalani। So, Jawaharlal Nehru। The draft of Quit India resolution was prepared by Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sarojini Naidu। So, Mahatma Gandhi। Who was the president of Indian National Congress when it passed the Quit India resolution? Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru। So, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad। Who of the following was the president of INC for consecutive 6 years? Jawaharlal Nehru, Dadabhai Nehruji, Abul Kalam Azad, Gopal Krishna Gokhale। तो ये अबुल कलाम आजाद। Next है, with reference to Indian freedom struggle, Usha Mehta is well known for running the secret Congress radio in the wake of Quit India movement, participating in second roundtable conference, leading a contingent of Indian National Army, assisting in the formation of interim government under पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। तो आपको पता है वो रेडियो का सीक्रेट कांग्रेस रेडियो इन द वेक ऑफ QIM। Who amongst the following made regular broadcasted on Kerry Congress radio operated during Quit India movement? तो ये अभी हमने देख ही लिया है। अच्छा, ये इसमें ऑप्शंस: जयप्रकाश नारायण, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, राम मनोहर लोहिया, सुचेता कृपलानी। तो ये राम मनोहर लोहिया। The American publicist who was the Mahatma Gandhi during his Quit India movement was लुइस फिशर, विलियम एल शिवर, वेब मिलर, नेगले फर्सन। ये लुइस फिशर। Louis Fisher, the biographer of Mahatma Gandhi, was associated with the movement of civil disobedience, individual satyagraha, non-cooperation, quit India movement. तो ये quit India movement. Which areas was affected why days with the communal riots due to quit India movement? Bihar, Bengal, Gujarat, United Province. तो बिहार में हुआ था और यूनाइटेड प्रोविंस। ऑप्शन 1 एंड डी ऑप्शन, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे आपका 150 एमसीक्यू कंप्लीट हुआ। आप लोग ऐसे ही प्रैक्टिस करते रहें, मैं कुछ और नए क्वेश्चन से ये चीज़ें आगे बढ़ती रहेंगी। मॉडर्न खत्म होगा, फिर ज्योग्राफी या साइंस क्वेश्चन लेके आ जाऊँगा, ठीक है। तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं फिर। बाय, गुड नाइट एंड टेक केयर।